Hello guys, so welcome back to another video. Okay, so today video will be quite different from other videos. Okay, so today we are going to have a trade breakdown which we took today on our live trading. All right, which was Nifty 50 and Reliance. Okay, let's start with Nifty 50 and what was the logic behind taking this trade. Okay, first of all, in my past videos, when I was doing my analysis on Nifty 50, I clearly told you that Nifty 50 is showing some rejection from this levels. Okay, we call this as a demand area. Okay, and as you can see, हमने ये जो daily candle है, okay, which was of 28th of September, okay, उसके ऊपर एक closing दी थी. All right. So this was a really good bullish candle, and on 22nd of November, September, we saw a consolidation. So yesterday was a consolidating day. Okay, we were in a range, and today what happened? We broke that range. Okay, we broke that range and we opened gap up. All right. So there are always two possible scenarios. Market either fill the gap or it just continue going to the upside. Okay, either it's gap up or gap down. All right. So initially I was long because of the bullish sentiment in the markets. Okay, and my initial target was this high right here. Okay, this high right here, which is around 17,800. Okay, and we have a term called liquidity here where the mostly retailers, okay, retailers mostly place their stop losses above these prices before taking a short trade. Okay, so eventually market has to go up to fill those orders. Okay, and there are more factors behind this trade. Okay, I have discussed that in my mentorship program what was the factor behind taking this trade and why this trade like was a good risk reward ratio also. Okay, and like we had a good trailing stop loss too, and like it was an awesome trade. Okay, let's see on 3 minutes time frame and what was the sorry, let's look at 1 minute time frame. We took an entry on 1 minute time frame. Okay, so what was the scenario of taking entry on a 1 minute time frame? First of all, this candle, this first candle, okay, we mark the high and low of that candle. All right, there was no order block level, no breakout structure, nothing else, just pure price action. uh, on basis of that we took an entry. Okay, so once the market broke this high, which was the day high of 915, okay, and then we saw a retest. Okay, our initial entry was above this high. Okay, here we took the entry and our stop loss was below this low. Okay, below this low, and our target was the high which we have marked earlier on a higher time frame. Okay, then we were just trailing our stop losses, and then we saw a second entry opportunity in market. Okay, which was around here. Okay, this was the liquidity sweep that happened, and then a break of structure too. Okay, a break of structure. All right, the break of structure mostly happened around at this prices. Okay, so this is our order block level, and why we didn't choose this order block and this order block, that I have explained in the mentorship. Okay, so this was the order block level. Okay, and then this right here was our second entry. All right, this is where you could have used this opportunity to scale up your positions. Okay, and then you are just trailing your our stop losses based on the swing lows and swing highs. Okay, another entry was right here, another breakout structure, then order block level. We had like three entries in the same particular trades. Okay, so this is how like you can scale up your um, position size. All right, so our initial entry from here to here, we grab almost 97 points in Nifty 50. Okay, with a good risk reward ratio, which was around 4.41. Okay, let's see next. Here we saw that there was a breakout of that previous high which we have marked. Okay, and breakout structure, order block, bounce from that order block, and then boom. Right, another breakout structure. We'll wait for market to come near to this order block level for our second entries. Let's mark the first entry. Okay, so this will be my target if I would have taken this entry. All right, I will wait for the third entry after a liquidity sweep. I need a candle which closes above this order block level, and then I will go take a long trade like this. Okay, so even this is a good risk reward ratio around 7.86. All right, for tomorrow also, like if Nifty will be in trending, like in a bullish trend, we can take this opportunity to buy in the markets. Okay, so let's look at Reliance now. It was the same analysis. Okay, this particular stock, we got it from our scanner early in the morning. Okay, same analysis on uh, Reliance. Okay, we saw there was a gap up from the previous day high. Okay, always consider whenever you are like doing your analysis on any stock or index or currency pairs, always have a higher time frame perspective, especially the daily highs and lows and the closing prices. Okay, so this was the target which I have set. Okay, now let's look at 1 minute time frame and how did we took this entry. So we are now on 1 minute time frame. Same, okay, marking this candle high. Sorry, marking this candle high. Okay, we saw there was a breakout and also a retest. Okay, but still, I wasn't like convinced by taking this trade. I need a strong bias to go long on this particular trade. So that's why I was looking long above this prices right here. We saw that there was a good entry below this. Okay, I took an entry around 2458. Okay, 2458. Okay, this was our entry. Our stop loss was below this wick right here. Okay, and the target was right here at this price. And as you can see, we have went past to our targets. Okay, and then even it's trending higher. Okay, now what we can predict tomorrow on Reliance. All right, we saw a liquidity sweep has happened here with a good break of structure. We generally call this as a accumulation phase. Okay, I'll wait for market to come back to this demand area. Okay, this demand area. I guess there will be one more liquidity sweep before taking any entries, and then again I will either have this as my second target and this as my first target. Okay, it all depends on how the market opens tomorrow. Okay, then only I'm going to decide where on which side I'll be taking this particular trades. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and also share with your friends so that smart money concept should also grow in India. Thank you so much. Bye bye.